Welcome again. Thank you very much. Welcome. So this is module five. So this series is gonna end in module six or lesson six. So this is AI tools and technology. So my goal here is to introduce you to some of the model AI model building technology on the lower side, so that you can start. Um, you can start building your own, gathering your own resources and building your own, which is what we're doing here. So here objective here is you understand the tools and technology used to build AI, learn about the popular programming languages and libraries, and explore platform for beginners to kind of practice AI building. Um, I have an example here now, an example that you can follow. So see how the tools are used so that you can use. I think there are a lot of resources in building very simplistic AI models. So what are the AI tools and technologies? So AI tools and technologies include the softwares, the libraries used to build the AI models, the platform to train and test AI algorithms, the tools to process and analyze data, and these tools mostly simplify AI development and even for everyone if you're just starting to build. A popular programming language for AI. So Python, R, Java, and C++. But I think the most popular is Python. Um, it's easy to learn and it has very rich libraries. Excellent. I mean, R is excellent for data analysis and visualization. Java using large scale AI systems, very large scale. Um, C++ for high performance for like speed intensive AI tasks. So for me, I go with Python. So because it's easy and all of that. So it's beginner friendly and powerful with AI libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. You should look TensorFlow and PyTorch up. Um, so key libraries and frameworks for AI. So we have NumPy. Uh, NumPy it's the numerical operation, everything numbers. Pandas for data manipulation, calculation, timesing, and all of that. Matplotlib, it's data visualization, plotting of graphs, and all of that. Matlib, it's Matlib, Matplotlib, it's good for that. And then we have skitlearn, a machine learning algorithm, very good. TensorFlow for deep learning, and it's owned by Google, I think. PyTorch, deep learning owned by Facebook, and then we have OpenCV for computer vision and taxes and spacey for natural languages processing. And then we have AI platform for beginners, so Google Colab online. There's free version, there's paid version, but it gives you everything you need. Like Jupyter Notebook, interactive with local, so you can install it in your computer and then use the browsers to kind of interact with that. So Kaggle dataset, Kaggle is like an online platform community for dataset competitions and code examples. Microsoft Azure AI cloud services, IBM Watson, NP and AI tools, Hugging Face, pre-trained models. If you're looking for like something and you want a model that already be trained on to do that, you can go to Hugging Face and get it, and then you can retrain that model to suit your needs. Reward application, Google Colab, building AI models in the cloud, TensorFlow, computer vision in agriculture, SkitNet, Scikit-learn predict model for businesses, OpenCV, crop disease detection. So these are some of applications. Um, so a summary of the key points. Python is the most popular language for AI. And then TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Skill are the essential AI library. Can when it comes to deep learning and all of that, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and these are like architectural and in which the algorithms are built. Platform like Google Colab simplify AI development. Google Colab is used a lot because it's online resources. It enables teams and it can be shared. So these tools help build AI solution for real world challenges. So these are some of the tools I have given you. You can rewind and like look at them deeply and see that these are great tools for you to learn all of that. These especially um, they help you with data manipulation and all of that. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. When you want to visualize data, Skitlearn, TensorFlow for deep learning, PyTorch for deep learning. So PyTorch and TensorFlow, those are two things you should look at very well when you begin your journey in all of on these. Um, Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook, those are the two major platforms for writing codes and splitting and then training your models and all of that. So again, this is what I have for you in this lesson. Introducing you to some of the libraries and tools used for AI development. So look them up on your own and then learn more about them. So thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in the last, which is like building your first AI model. So look forward to seeing you in that. Have a good day. Have a great time. Thank you.